Refundable versus non-refundable. Let's see if I can make this easy to understand. Canadian-controlled private corporations, or called CCPC, are eligible for refundable tax credits in Canada. They're called ITC, investment tax credits. These companies are eligible at the enhanced rate, which is 35%, and they're refundable, even if they haven't paid taxes, which is not intuitive. A lot of companies will think, a lot of business owners will think, well, I haven't paid any taxes, so I won't benefit from the SR&ED program. That's actually not true. As long as you've paid your HST, or you've filed your HST, your source deductions, and all your other filings are up to date, even if you haven't paid what's called Part 1 tax in Canada based upon profits, then you still qualify if you're a Canadian-controlled private corporation and your net income is below the small business limit. There's two types of companies that are non-refundable. Those companies are foreign-owned companies and public companies. They still qualify, and they get not the enhanced rate, they get a lower rate, but their refunds, well, they're not refunds, they're tax credits. So if the company is profitable, then they can use the tax credit to reduce their taxes owing, and effectively they don't have to pay their taxes. And these non-refundable tax credits have a very particular nature. You claim them in 1 year, but you can move them backwards 3 years, and you can move them forward almost indefinitely. So even if you can't use them in the year of claim, you definitely can still take some value from these claims and move them around your corporate situation. Then there's one other category, which is the non-refundable rate for CCPCs. And I'll just basically say that Canadian-controlled private corporations above the small business limit may not qualify entirely for a refundable rate. But in that case, they're paying taxes anyway, so their taxes will be reduced by the amount of the tax credit that's tabulated. So if you have any questions about refundable versus non-refundable, if you're not sure about your corporate structure, definitely give us a call at Bond Consulting Group. We'll take a look at your taxes and your returns, your financial statements, and we'll give you a professional opinion.